If I were to pass away, I will be really pleased and grateful if all the disciples take shelter of one of the senior devotees in this movement, without being independent, and follow the management system set up and provided by Srila Prabhupada. Guru Maharaj says all the devotees. Guru Maharaj nahi bataya just the junior devotees. Everybody has to take shelter of somebody more senior. I direct that all my disciples shall behave and conduct themselves in the following manner upon my demise. Guru Maharaj के ये प्रत्यक्ष आदेश हैं एक एक शिष्य के लिए. 10 प्रमुख आदेश है गुरु महाराज के. पहला, always accept His divine grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, founder Acharya of the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, as the preeminent Shiksha Guru for all time. Srila Prabhupada ki. Always accept ISKCON's GBC, Governing Body Commission, as the ultimate management authority of ISKCON and as Srila Prabhupada's representative, and to therefore follow its instructions and directions. Third point is, lead your life so as to be exemplary representatives of ISKCON and Srila Prabhupada. 4. Cooperate together with all other ISKCON devotees to push this movement forward. 5. When some of you advance sufficiently, Guru Maharaj का बहुत clear instruction है. When some of you advance sufficiently to become gurus and sannyasis, to work under the GBC authorized processes, to take up those services. 6. Never leave ISKCON. First and foremost, think of yourself as members of ISKCON. Never fight with ISKCON. Resolve your differences internally in a Vaishnava way. 7. Never align yourself with persons or groups not authorized by the GBC. 8. Seriously study Srila Prabhupada's books on a regular basis. Always chant at least 16 attentive rounds every day. Chant at least 25 rounds on Ekadashis and special festival days. And strictly follow the 4 regulative principles of no meat eating, no intoxicants, no gambling, and no illicit sex. 9. Work to make ISKCON a dynamic society. 10. Continue donating your time and resources to ISKCON's causes. और आखिरी पैराग्राफ में गुरु महाराज इस प्रकार लिख रहे हैं, I wish to state that all my endeavors as a devotee have been to serve Prabhupada and the International Society for Krishna Consciousness ISKCON, and I have nothing of my own except my deities. Therefore, I further direct that any assets, including temples, foundations, and or projects associated with, inspired or directed by me or my disciples, must for all time remain under the auspices and directions of the GBC, who are the ultimate managing authority of ISKCON. Abhi Guru Maharaj bol rahe hain, thank you for your service and love for Srila Prabhupada. Serving you has been my privilege. I thank Srila Prabhupada, my spiritual master, the founder Acharya, and the preeminent Shiksha Guru of ISKCON, and a pure devotee of Lord Krishna from the spiritual world, for providing me shelter in this house He built for the whole world to live in, and desire that all my disciples stay in that house, imbibe the highest philosophy of Krishna consciousness, and still higher than that, practice the philosophy of Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna. Signature Gopal Krishna Khanna, Gopal Krishna Goswami, Sannyasi, ISKCON GBC, BBT, Trustee, and Chairman, ISKCON Bureau. Witness 1, Devendra Vaidya, Dashavatar Prabhu. Witness 2, Rishi Kumara Das. This was registered on November 23, 2023.